What is up, flippers, and welcome back to another exciting video, because today I got in my bally boots, handle caps, bally socks, whatever you want to call them, from Zippy Balisong. And I already have a pair that I've been using and I really like, but picked up some other colors. Yeah, and we're just gonna bust right into this. Got a sticker, very cool. And then I also got, I also picked up some bite markers as well. Got teal and purple handle caps there. And then we also got some translucent pink and neon green handle caps there. That looks really cool. Let's see. So as you can see here, there's 3 little weights at the bottom there. Just do a rave color. Let's see what these look like on the Antarctic here. Oh yeah, I forgot these have all the weights in, so it's going to make quite a bit of difference. Feel that handle bias quite a bit more now with all the weights in, but the beauty is you can take all the weights out of the handle caps and still have some nice handle caps that'll protect the end of your handles without really changing the balance all too much, maybe a little bit. Just slightly more mass at the end of the handles. The best part is there's 3 weights in each handle cap, so you can adjust the balance exactly how you like it. Really like that. Maybe I'll do let's try blue on here. We got purple. And we got some blue. Fire and ice. You can actually see the handle inside the translucent pink. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to try the pink on a few different ballies just to see what it looks like. Let's see what this will look like. That goes there. Then what do we want? Let's do purple on the safe, green on the bite. These handle caps fit pretty much any Balisong. The only ones that they will not fit, see the balls and the handle in there. So this is actually really cool, because a few people had questions about whether or not the balls would be touching the handles. And as you can see here from the translucent, they are not coming in contact with the handles. However, if you have something like a glider, Still looks like there's no contact with the metal. So that's pretty cool. I can't really see for sure. And of course with drops, there's a possibility of them touching, maybe damaging that handle, but from what I'm seeing, it looks like there's quite a bit of distance between the handle, even with the rounded one that fits really nicely in there. I have to change out all these weights and get them all. Kind of like the pink. Definitely don't like the bite handle on top of the caps. At least not here on the Vortex. I think that pink and purple looks pretty good actually. The caps feel really good on the Vortex. They slightly change the sound of it too. Do I like the pink on there? Or do I like the green? I feel like the green is kind of... Yeah, I'll leave the green for now. And then what's up next? Prisma here definitely needs some handle caps. What do we want on the Prisma? I'm thinking pink, translucent. And then we got green, purple, and teal left. Let's see, purple, pink. Yeah, the handle caps actually sound the best on the Prisma, in my opinion. Gets rid of that ring that comes from the blade. And yeah, it just makes it sound so much nicer in my opinion. So yeah, let's see what other color I might like besides purple. Green and pink. I think the green looks cool, but I think I would have to do it different. Something other than pink. Maybe green and pink for now. We'll do green and pink for now. Looks alright. I want to change. I want to do maybe like 2 of the pink on here, maybe. We'll see. Then we got Koenig. This is what these are the first proto caps that I got, so I've been mainly going on the Koenig, or back and forth between the Koenig and the Prisma, since I think those are the so far the best two Balis that these boots fit on the best. So yeah, we got the Koenig fitted. We got room for one more, I think. Now the Kraken, these do fit the Kraken. However, kind of have to stretch it just a little bit. See, so they do fit on there. Just like that. Yeah, and they'll protect the bottom of your handles from drops on metal or concrete or whatever else you might be flipping over. So yeah, I'm liking this blue and pink combo here. Or excuse me, teal and purple combo. Again, slightly changes the sound profile, which is really cool. So yeah, these handle caps are super cool, adjustable balance and weight and all that. As well as identifying, you can kind of have two colored handles somewhat, you know, that you can identify, this bite and the safe handle. Yeah, these handle caps are super cool. Like I said, they work on pretty much any Balisong, Kraken, Nautilus, Mako, Triton. I think they would work on this Flytanium, but you would have to stretch it a little bit if they did end up working. So yeah, I think you can slide it, you know, stretch it on there, but you would have to be sure that you would only want them on here, or you know, plan to stretch it out further on something like this, which I don't think you're really going to be able to do. Let's see, I believe they work on the Spy. Yeah, they work on the Spy. Maybe I'll have to get some boots for the Spy. Although I'll probably just leave it how it is. Alright, yeah, that's about it for this Bali boot unboxing here. I guess my cycloid would actually be a good candidate for these colors. Yeah. Seeing as it's teal and purple. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, definitely look into picking up some of these Bali boots from Zippy Balisong. They're available now. I'm sure he'll be making them for quite some time, hopefully. Yeah, because they're really awesome. The cycloid, the zipper are both super awesome. I've been flipping them ever since I got them. Can't stop flipping them. But yeah, thanks for watching, flippers. Stay tuned to this channel for some more videos coming soon. I have a lot of things I've recorded, but I just need to edit, go through, and upload them. But I got a lot of reviews, comparisons coming on all of these Balisongs here, including these two, which are not mine, but someone lent to me. So thank you very much to them. allowing me to bring you guys videos and impressions on these two Balisongs. I probably would have never touched a Nautilus until, like, I went to blade or, flip someone else's basically. So really appreciate the Nautilus. I've been wanting to flip a Kraken for a long time. And after flipping this one, I think that's probably going to be one of the next Balisongs that I want to pick up. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for all those videos. Thanks for watching, flippers, and I hope you all have a great day. See ya.